Making $200 in a day is achievable with a mix of online and offline strategies, depending on your skills, resources, and time availability. Here are some realistic ways to make this amount. 1. Freelance gigs. Freelance writing or editing. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, or ProBlogger allow you to find clients needing blog posts, articles, or editing. If you charge around $50 per article, completing 4 articles a day could reach your goal. Graphic design. If you have graphic design skills, offer quick design tasks like logos, social media posts, and so on for around $50 each. Completing 4 designs could get you there. Website design and development. Simple websites on platforms like WordPress or Shopify can earn $200 or more. You might also take on tasks like website updates for smaller amounts if you can do several in a day. 2. Delivery or rideshare. Driving. Uber or Lyft. Driving for Uber or Lyft can yield $20 to $30 per hour, especially during peak hours. Driving for around 8 hours could bring you to $200. Food delivery. Services like DoorDash, Uber Eats, and Postmates can help you reach $200 by delivering during peak meal times. Aim to work in busy areas to increase tips and delivery volume. 3. Online tutoring or coaching. Tutoring. If you have expertise in a subject, online tutoring platforms like VIPKid for English tutoring, Tutor.com, or Chegg Tutors offer hourly rates ranging from $20 to $60. Teaching for 4 to 10 hours could help you hit $200. Fitness or life coaching. If you have coaching credentials, platforms like Teachable or social media channels can help you offer $50 sessions. 4 sessions in a day would reach $200. Sell products online. Reselling items from thrift stores, garage sales, or local online marketplaces can be a great way to make money. You can often buy items at a low cost and resell them for a profit on platforms like eBay, Poshmark, or Mercari. Popular options include clothing, electronics, or collectibles. If you have a knack for design or creative skills, you might want to consider print-on-demand platforms like Etsy or Redbubble to sell custom-designed products. Alternatively, selling digital downloads like planners or templates can also be a lucrative option. Gig economy apps. TaskRabbit or Handy are great for finding one-off gigs like assembling furniture, doing handyman work, or house cleaning. These gigs typically pay between $20 to $40 per hour, and taking on multiple gigs can quickly add up. If you love animals, services like Rover or Wag offer dog walking and pet sitting opportunities. You can earn $15 to $20 for a 30-minute walk or around $40 to $100 for overnight pet care. A few walks or one overnight job can help you meet your financial goals. Virtual assistant work. Virtual assistants perform tasks like email management, customer service, or social media scheduling for business owners. Rates often range from $15 to $30 per hour. So, working 7 to 10 hours could bring you to $200 in a day. Online surveys and market research, well, they might not make you rich overnight, but they do offer a steady stream of income. Platforms like Swagbucks, SurveyJunkie, and Respondent.io, they typically have lower paying options. However, you can find some high-paying surveys if you know where to look. Respondent.io, in particular, offers more professional surveys that can pay anywhere from $50 to $200 each. Just keep in mind these opportunities are often limited. Invest in quick return assets, but do so with caution. If you're experienced in trading, some people use platforms like Robinhood or Coinbase to try day trading for quick returns. Be cautious, as this approach is risky. Sports betting or fantasy sports can be a high-risk, high-reward approach. Only pursue this if you're knowledgeable and limit your bet amount to avoid significant loss. Sell a high-demand skill or product locally. Photography services are a great example. Offer a quick photo session in a park or urban area. Charging $50 for a 30-minute session with edited photos, you could book 4 sessions. If you're willing to do physical work, offer a flat rate for house cleaning or yard work. You could advertise through Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist for quick local leads. Rent out your assets. If you have cameras, tools, or a car, platforms like Fat Llama and Turo can allow you to rent them out. For instance, renting a camera or car could bring in around $50 to $100 per day, and a high-demand item could reach your $200 goal. If you have a parking spot in a busy area, consider renting it out through platforms like Spot Hero. Similarly, sites like Airbnb allow you to rent out a room or extra space in your home. Combining a few of these methods can increase your chances of reaching $200 in a single day, especially if you focus on methods that align with your skills and local demand.